Hey everyone. Today we're talking about building strong teams. We all know it's important, but sometimes it feels frustrating. Fear not. The key is to look at your team in the most simplistic way. Don't complicate this. Your team will be in three basic stages: beginning, middle, and end. Let's dive in. Don't forget to bring a pen and paper to work through this video. The goal is not to quickly watch another video. Mastering and acquiring the skills takes practice. The beginning, setting yourself up for success. It all starts with you. Before diving into team stuff, adjust your expectations. Are you nervous about leading? Are you over-focusing on the outcomes? Do you stress over the fact that you want everyone to get along? That's okay. Embrace the journey. Pause the video and write down what the teams look like. What do you want to accomplish? What is the acceptable conduct of the team? How do you communicate? How do you ask for help? Next, understand the team development stages. You might be tempted to rush into the project, but hold on. Building trust and connections comes first. This means introductions, icebreakers, and establishing clear communication protocols. Allow the team to bond with each other and get to know themselves. Start planning. What does your week, month, and next 3 months look like? At this point, you will see your team bonding and exchanging ideas and collaborating. The messy middle. It's okay to be messy sometimes. Clarity comes after the mess. This is where you're most uncomfortable, but you will learn the most. The dreaded messy middle. You've started the project, and at first things were going well, but things might start to feel chaotic. Maybe team members lack certain skills or disagreements arise. Don't panic. This is normal. Every obstacle will tell you something about your team. Pay attention. Here's the thing. People initially show their best selves, which isn't always their authentic selves. This is where adjustments happen. Be patient, and remember, strong bonds are forged through navigating these challenges. At this point, start evaluating what needs to be done. Is a team member in the wrong role? Does someone on the team need a skill or be given constructive feedback? Did you set up clear expectations? The important thing is to remain patient and not panic. This applies not only to your team, but also to your own well-being. It's fine to brainstorm solutions, but not to the extent that it affects your health. Recognize when it's necessary to disconnect and seek help for yourself. Seek input from others. Talk to your team individually and as a team. Communicate expectations. There are a number of things that you might encounter. Bonus key. At this point, you might be tempted to do the work yourself. Refrain from doing so. Remember, your job is to build a strong team, not do the work yourself. The normalized ending, accepting imperfections for a common goal. Finally, the normalized ending. Teams accept each other's quirks and imperfections while staying focused on the common goal. This doesn't mean everyone will be best friends, but they respect and trust each other to get the job done. So, how long does each stage last? It depends on factors like your leadership style and project type. Communication is key. Address issues early, but avoid rushing the process. Remember, building a strong team takes time and effort. But with these stages in mind, you'll be well on your way to success. What are your team building experiences? Share them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more team leadership tips.